This is a video tutorial on how to set up for the first time your Valhalla Scale desktop app. So let's double click on the icon on your desktop to open up the application, and we will click on the settings button on the top right hand corner. Click on operator settings and you will be asked to enter a PIN. The default PIN is 8888. Once you click on check PIN, you will have a white screen. This is typical on the beta testing version, on initial installation, the first time that you open the application. So simply just X out, close the application, and let's open it up again. And again, let's go to the operator settings and enter 8888. Check PIN. And now we are into the settings page where we can customize some of the settings. So under company settings, we can choose between medical and fitness. So if you're running a gym or a fitness center, you would click on fitness. If you're running a weight loss facility or a doctor's office, you would click on medical. All that does really is changes some of the wordings throughout the application so that it just makes a little bit more sense for your type of business. You can also select the unit of measure. So you can click between imperial and metric. So the default is imperial, so we're working with feet, inches, and pounds, versus in the metric mode, you're dealing with centimeters and kilograms. So for this demonstration, we're going to leave it at imperial, and you can enter your company name. Here I have Valhalla Medical, just for an example, and what that's going to do is actually going to be printed in a couple of areas in your printouts. So that's important to put in to kind of customize it to your company. For printer settings, we can click on the printer that we want to print to. So whatever printer you have installed on your computer should show up. So whatever you have on your printer list on your PC or laptop will show up here. For this demonstration, I'm going to click on the DeskJet 1110. And down here, as you can see, we have 4 different printout types. So these are the 4 different graphic printouts that Valhalla Scientific offers, and you may select the one that you typically use if you use any. If not, you can just leave them all blank. If you use multiple graphic printouts, you can select as many as you want. And basically, when we get to the step where we're actually printing out the results, it will prompt you based on what selection you make here. So what you want to do here is you want to click on the type of printout that you use. Now, right here we also have the option of inverting the collation of the printout. This really only applies to printouts that have multiple pages, like the 5-page printouts. So what your printer will do, depending on what brand it is or what type it is, will either print, let's say, page 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if, depending again on your printer, the printouts come printed backwards to where page 5 gets the printout of page 1 and vice versa, what you want to do is come here and click on invert page order. If we go to the connection settings tab, right here, this is where we're matching the COM port to the COM port that you have under your device manager for the converter cables that were provided to you. So for example, I'm going to go to device manager, and under device manager what you want to look for is ports. So under ports, I'm going to go to a different window to show a perfect example. Under ports, you will see you're looking for a USB serial port. This example has COM3 selected. So what you want to do on the application, let's go back to the application real quick, is select COM3. All the different COM ports that are available on your computer will be listed. If not, if the COM port that shows under Device Manager is not listed, you can type it in, but it should be listed. So, and for this example, we saw that under Device Manager, our USB converter cable, so our USB serial cable is under COM3, so we're going to select COM3. So the last tab in the settings under help, we have two buttons here. One that links you to our website, and let's click on it. It's going to open to our website where we're going to have right now, there's simply just the installation page, but in the future we're going to have tutorials, we're going to have manuals, we're going to have questions answered. And under purchase report, if you click on that, it's going to take you to our website where you can purchase additional reports. Now let's go back to the application. Now simply, once you have everything set up the way you want it, you can go ahead and click on Save Operator Settings. You see setting updated. And now you are good to go to use the application for the first time. Of course, you can change those settings at any point in time. One thing that we did not show, which I will go back to, is you can reset the pin. So the default pin is 888. We can change it. Let's go 5432. And the master pin to reset the pin is 1, 2, 3, 5. So once I click reset pin, it's going to change the pin. So from this point on, I will enter 5432 to access the application. So that pin usually pops up when you first open up the application. And that concludes the tutorial for the setup of the Valhalla Scale desktop